Hey, have you ever been wondering how you can use internal links to increase blog page views? If you haven't, or if you don't even know what internal links are, then you are on the right video. So, my name is Petra and I am from bigincomeparadise.com. That's my blog where I help entrepreneurs, marketers, and bloggers to build their own empire online, okay? So in this video, we're gonna talk about internal links in your blog. And let me just share my screen. Just a second, okay. So here, this blog post, and probably you saw it if you got this video, you probably saw it. If you didn't, it's gonna be linked down below this video on YouTube, right? But you probably got to this video through this blog post where I talk about how to get more traffic for free to your blog. So here, the first step is I'm talking about how to use Pinterest to get traffic, free traffic to your blog. By the way, Pinterest is, I think, 80 or 81% of my traffic comes from Pinterest. So yeah, Pinterest is top. So on step 2 about Pinterest, I have started talking about Pinterest boards and pins, and I didn't want to go on and on, so I said I won't go on and on about Pinterest marketing here. I made a blog post explaining how to use Pinterest for business to 10x your results. You can read more by clicking here and learn how to set up your profile for success. So, these are internal links. What is an internal link? If I click on this, you're gonna land on another one of my blog posts, which is about how to use Pinterest for business, top Pinterest tips, right? Like I said here, I made a blog post about this, okay? So here's the thing. I said I'm not gonna go on and on about Pinterest marketing. Now, a lot of bloggers, or they don't use internal links like this, or if they do, they say something like this. I won't go on and on about Pinterest marketing. You can click here and learn more. Would you click there and learn more? Most people wouldn't. Guess why? Actually, it's because you don't know if you click on that link, where are you gonna land? On someone else's blog post, on a video, or maybe even on a sales page. You never know. That's why you should do the internal link formula should be like this. I made a blog post. So you tell people I made it. My blog post. So it's on my blog, right? They know they're gonna land on your blog on another blog post. Then you tell them that you explained in that blog post how to use Pinterest for business. So they know they're going to learn about Pinterest for their business. And then what they are going to get out of it is they're going to learn how to 10x their results. So you see, the formula is I made a blog post, so you tell them it's yours, and they know where they're gonna land, on which page, on which blog. And then you tell them what they're gonna learn more about. So Pinterest, and their results are gonna be 10x your results, right? Or you're gonna lose 10 kilograms in a second. Let's go overboard. So no, 10 kilograms in a second, that can't happen. So you have to tell them what their results are going to be so that it's more enticing for them to click. And then what I did is I said, you can read more by clicking here and learn how to set up your profile for success. Because human beings, we need directions. So that's why I told them, click here, okay, read more by clicking here. So everyone knows if they click here, they know what they're gonna get, but I also explained again that they're going to learn how to set up their profile for success. So again, you're going to learn this and you're going to get that success, right? So let me just stop sharing so that you can see me better. That's what you have to do. Internal links used the right way will increase your page views on your blog. Now, I know some of you will say, well, you know, that doesn't help me. Oh, yes, it does. Let me tell you, Google is not just checking out your keywords and how you did the SEO and that stuff. Google actually checks out how long your readers stay on your blog. So if they go on your blog, they check your title and then they click off, that hurts your blog way more than you think. It actually tells Google that your blog basically sucks, okay? It's not good, it's not full of value, that's why people are not reading it. That's why your blog, your whole blog is gonna get ranked down, which you don't want that, right? You want to get ranked up in Google. So that's why you should try and get people to stay on your blog for as long as possible. So if you get them to read this blog post and then you send them to another blog post, they spend 5 minutes reading this blog post, 5 minutes this blog post, 5 minutes that one, 15 minutes. I mean, that's great, right? But also beside including internal links, what you should do, and I saw a couple of blogs that don't use email marketing. If you're one of them, you are wasting your time and you're basically throwing money out the window. Why? Here's the thing. Most people that come to your blog, when they go off, they forget about you, okay? They forget about you. The next day, they're not going to be like, you know what? That blog from yesterday, I'm going to go check it out. Most people, like I could say 99% of people are not going to remember even your blog's name, okay? Or your name. If your name is your blog's name, so, you know, they're not going to remember you. So you have to get them on your email list where you're going to remind them, hey, I'm still here, right? So you're on my blog, on my email list where I'm going to send you, when I make a new blog, I'm going to tell you, hey, you know, you should check this out. Maybe you're interested in, I don't know, how to increase your blog traffic. Maybe you're interested in how to use Pinterest for your business or blah, 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 right? And if you are interested, you're going to click and go to my blog. Or I'm going to invite you to join my free coaching group on Facebook. And that's how you can grow your Facebook, your Instagram, your whatever. And they get reminded who you are. They have to see your face, hear your voice. That's why you should make videos, okay? Because how do they say your face is your brand and your smile is your logo, okay? So they have to see you. They have to be reminded, not every single day, because I send an email every single day and I got more unsubscribers, okay? So I don't do that. And I didn't even spam. I was just giving a lot of advice every single day, but they didn't like it, so you know, they started unsubscribing. So now I send an email once per week, twice per week, maybe 3 times if I really have something important to say. And I send out emails when there's a sale going on. So if there's a 1 week long sale, so for 1 week, then I remind you on Monday, Wednesday, then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, let's say, right? Because let's face it, we're marketers. We want to make money, but here's another tip. Don't just go and sell whatever, okay? Because first of all, if it doesn't work for you and you still want to sell it just to make money, guess what? Long term, it's going to destroy your brand because people are going to be like, oh, that's that person who sold me that cream that actually gave me rashes, right? They're gonna remember you by that. So they're gonna be, I'm gonna stay away from you, right? And you don't want to do that. You want them to get remembered. I mean, you want them to remember you. My English, oh my God. If you didn't notice, I have an accent. You probably did, right? Because I'm from Europe, so excuse my English, I'm trying my best. So yeah, you know, you want them to be reminded every couple of days who you are, okay? You have to always give them a lot of value so that they see that you are an expert in your field, so that they look up to you. If they need help, they're going to contact you. And eventually, when you're going to show them, look, I did this and this and this, but I also bought this, they're going to be like, okay, I'm going to do this and this and this, and I'm also going to buy that, because if it helped you and you helped me so much, I'm going to get it. It's going to help me too, right? So that's how it's done, okay? You're not going to increase sales and your traffic to your blog if you're just going to do everything halfway. You have to over-deliver. You have to be consistent, okay? So if you decide to send emails once, twice, or 3 times per week, do it, okay? I'm guilty of that. I know I had an email list and I have been sending 1 email per week, and then later on, that happened a couple of years ago, and then later on I just stopped. And then after a couple of months I was like, hey, you know, no one remembered me, right? So you have to be there. You have to be consistent, and let's say after 1 year you could be really, really successful. But you just have to know that it takes time to build a brand, okay? So before I go, I would love to hear your results. Go back to your blog, change the internal links, change how you sell the internal links, because you're actually selling them. You know, you're selling them on clicking the link, right? So change that and let me know your results, okay? If something's not working, just know I'm here. I'm here to help you. That's why I want you to reach out to me, and you know, if you don't know how exactly you should write a sentence and then put the link inside, you know, you can actually contact me. I'm here more than happy to help you, okay? Just remember that. So yeah, I want to hear your results, and if you need to contact me, there's going to be below the video, there's going to be, you know, my coaching group, my fan page, Pinterest, everything's going to be down below. So go follow me, send me messages, send me some love, and that's it, okay? Thank you for watching this long video, but hey, you know, it's full of value. So thank you, and see you in the next one.